just a bunny. You're just a bunny. Oh, hey, all you cool cats and farmers, and welcome to your first official week of self-reliant living. What? I teach what? Oh. Welcome to your first official week of math class. This week, we're going to look at how to grow food for you and your family by applying knowledge about area in a tiny but highly efficient vegetable gardening. Square foot gardening, also known as SFG, has cut my own grocery bills by at least 50%. With a couple of dollars of seeds and a couple of bags of dirt, my family saved at least $500 on food last year. Tomorrow, we'll get our hands on one of these things. Not the rabbit, the garden. But today we just need to focus first on finding an area at your house that you can grow food in. This video will show you 3 different ways to find that area. Let's go take a look. Here's an area. How freaking be, here's another area. What is that I see right there? Well, that's an area too. It seems like areas are just everywhere. This is an area, but it's not a good area for growing plants because there's no nutrients. This is not an area. You can't grow plants in the air. This horizontal plane looks like an area. And so does this vertical plane. There's 2 areas in the same square footage. Well, it seems to me like there's just area about everywhere. Let's get to work.
Okay.
Oh no, I don't have a tape measure. Measure with your feet. 1, 2.
Turn it
It's
off.
10 by 10. Tape measure. Six. Round that to 6. Four. Round that to 4.
God, dogs are not.
That's how you do it. A piece of paper is always 8.5 inches by 11 inches. We can get close enough to a foot with this. The paper's flimsy. I'll fold it in half. Six and a half. 4. 6 by 4. Too many people think you need a large piece of land or expensive equipment to get into farming. This couldn't be further from the truth. Industrial agriculture is only one method of farming, and to be frank, it has more than a few downsides. It requires a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of back-breaking work, a lot of pesticides, and a lot of fossil fuels that contribute to global warming. Not to mention, monoculture has literally no diversity. Who wants to go to school where everyone is exactly like you, or like your teacher? Enter small-scale gardening. Small family gardens have been a tradition across cultures for at least 10,000 years. Actually, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world was a garden in Babylon. And check out this garden in 1st century Rome. I wonder if Jesus gardened. He looks like a hippie, so probably. How about we look at something more recent? Oh, a community garden in the middle of a city? Still, that's too big for me, and I don't want to be around that many hippies. Well, this is cute. Okay, now that's just flat out adorable. So what's the point of all this? The point of me showing off a whole bunch of gardens is to prove that you can grow food in just about anywhere. You just need to find an area.